इस्कॉन सेवा, इस्कॉन सेवा संबंधी की सेवा करें? इस्कॉन तो फूलमाला गाँथे। अच्छा, শ্রীবাস ঠাকুর অ্যাকচুয়াল যখন মুখ থেকে হরিনাম না নেওয়া হয় তার আগে যে নাম করা হয় সেই নামের মধ্যে কোনো শক্তি থাকে না, কেবলমাত্র স্বীকৃতি মাত্র। যেমন বীজের মধ্যে পোটেন্সি না থাকলে সেই বীজকে যতই জলের মধ্যে ফেলে দেওয়া হয় সেই বীজ কখনো অঙ্কুরিত হয় না। আবার সেই বীজের মধ্যে যখন পোটেন্সি থাকে বীজটাকে জলের মধ্যে দিলে সেটা অঙ্কুরিত হয়। এই জন্য শাস্ত্রের মধ্যে বলা হয়েছে সদ্গুরু থেকে হরিনাম গ্রহণ করলে তখন সেখানে ধীরে ধীরে তার সম্বন্ধ জ্ঞান, অঙ্কুর মতলব কি, দিব্য জ্ঞান দিলা যেই জন্মে জন্মে প্রভু সে। দিব্য জ্ঞান মানে যেখানে সম্বন্ধ জ্ঞান হয়। গুরু থেকে মন্ত্র গ্রহণ আদি, হরিকথা আদি শ্রবণ, মন্ত্র গুরু থেকে হরিকথা আদি শ্রবণের মাধ্যমে তখন সেখানে তার হৃদয়ের মধ্যে সেখানে একটা পোটেন্সি আসে। পোটেন্সিটা হচ্ছে সেটা কি না, সম্বন্ধ জ্ঞান, the knowledge of relationship will come. When you receive the Diksha mantra from Guru, then potency will come in your heart. So for this regard, give an example. Maybe you have seen also here in the banyan tree জানো কাকে বলে? বট বৃক্ষ যাকে বলা, banyan tree, there one fruits thousand seeds inside. Have you seen banyan tree? Sometimes small. Here also not look like banyan tree, but the fruits as like banyan. Reddish color, outside very reddish color, but inside millions seeds are there. Have you seen them? But you look, when that the banyan fruits completely ripen and fallen under the banyan tree, you cannot find out any plant and small plant of banyan tree. Banyan plant you cannot get there. Seed, thousand seeds are inside under the ground. But why not coming? Have you seen or not? But some, because here they give you an example. Jiva Goswami Pada, he gave very nice example this today. Same banyan fruit eaten by or swallowed by the any birds, and that birds stooling on the roof or mountain anywhere, and that time also banyan plant coming, then trees coming. Sometimes দেখেছেন না অনেক সময় ঘরের ছাদের উপরে পাখি পায়খানা করলে পাখির কাছ থেকে সেই হয়ে যায়, আর নিচে যে এত বেনিয়ান ফলগুলো পড়ে আছে তার থেকে হয় না। কেন? বলে যখন ওই পাখিটা যখন খেয়ে নেয় ফুলগুলো খায়, তার মধ্যে সব বীজের মধ্যে পোটেন্সি থাকে না, কিছু সব বীজের মধ্যে আবার পোটেন্সিও থাকে না। আরে বউ
tem algumas que não tem muita potência por causa disso. Nem todas as sementes têm potência. Tem algumas que são mais
positivas. Okay? Next verse. What is your name? Padma Sundari Devi. Nice name, Yeah. See, sometimes she talk with me Facebook,
Procura no Facebook às vezes?
Padma Sundari, Yeah, nice. Your name? Sergio. You? Krishna Guru. Bolse? Laris. So, because every banyan fruits have no potency, they are inside the seeds, no potency, no shakti. But when that the fruits eaten by the birds. The birds in their stomach some kinds of chemical or acid and touch with the seed. Then when that the birds stooling, that time the plant is coming. In the same way, only chanting holy names you cannot get the fruits. Only maybe you will get sukriti. You cannot say you cannot get any fruits. Only maybe maybe sukriti, maybe not. Maybe often.
So what's the feeling? Or is it speculation? Sometimes comes some feeling. No speculation.
Speculation. Without taking shelter, how possible is it? If you never meet with your husband, you think I am pregnant. This speculation or not, what thing? Right? Perfect example or not? One lady never she meet with her husband, she is thinking, I am pregnant. The speculative or not? Then the emotion coming in.
And that's the cultivation.
Feeling coming. Many people also saying this way, after speculating. Speculation, this is not our subject. That's called Brahmatma. Oh, I have feeling this is sentimental. And that sentimental sometimes is a crazy sentiment. Feeling coming at the actual in the stage of Nishtha, Ruchi or Asakti. And in the beginning, I cannot say there nothing. Maybe at the stage of Shraddha also something will come. Some feeling will come. You can say, you cannot nothing, you cannot, I cannot say zero, you cannot say this way. Some feeling coming. When receive Diksha mantra from Guru, and that time the potency is coming. That is that potency, that is called, what is called? Sambandha Gyan, knowledge of relationship. For this God, Narottam Das Thakur explained, Dibba Gyan dila jai janme janme Prabhu se. Dibba Gyan dila jai janme janme Prabhu se. Na Chakshu Gyan dila jai janme janme Prabhu se. Dibba Gyan hide prakash. Here are the two things. Dibba Gyan or Chakshudan. Chakshudan, first typical Chakshudan. Sometimes we also use this word when we also, what is called? Thakurji established. Installation of Thakurji, Vigraha Pratishtha. Vigraha Pratishtha after Abhishek, then on special mantra we give a Chakshudan. That means to manifest, giving some energy inside that the deities. That is called Chakshudan. In our Shastra also explained this Chakshudan. Understand? Chakshudan is called, you say. So in the same way, Guru first gives Chakshudan. Chakshudan means that gives some potency and spiritual potency in the heart of the disciple through the mantra. Or that is called the Chakshudan. Dibba Gyan, knowledge of relations. So first coming the potency, and then knowledge of relationship. This knowledge of relationship and slowly develop, then his feeling will come. You have no Guru, I think I am feeling many things. Speculative. Just to give an example. Never married or never associated a husband, you are thinking I am pregnant. How possible give birth the baby? Speculative give birth the baby or not? What is thinking I am pregnant? I give birth the baby.
Psychological pregnancy.
Psychological pregnancy. Fala português.
Está falando que como que a gente pode não ter um guru e a gente achar que nós estamos tendo algum fruto, algum sentimento por Krishna. É a mesma coisa que nós estarmos grávidas e estamos casadas, não estamos casadas ou não estamos tendo nenhum tipo de associação com o nosso marido, não estamos vendo, não estamos encostando e não estamos estamos com ele, mas achar que nós estamos grávidas, né? Isso é uma especulação, isso é... Eu falei, né? Que é tipo a gravidez psicológica. Então, não tem como estar sentindo coisa. Krishna, o pelo Santos Nome, sem estar associado diretamente com o devoto puro de Krishna, tendo um guru.
Understand? Guru chants, Japamala means giving the potency in your heart. This is not Nimmala, this is not Tulsi Mala, this is not the anything. When Guru chants, that potency coming in your heart.
When Sambandha Gyana developed slowly, how to know the one devotee that is in this process know that when this realization of Sambandha Gyana is happening, how he know or she know that is not imagination or that is true realization.
One day I told you that Mamata will come. Mamata understand? Possessiveness will come. When mother she gives birth to the baby, then the Mamata will come. Before giving birth to the baby, that Mamata will come. When mother she gives birth to the baby, that Mamata comes. Understand? Brahma, I sometimes give an example of Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. Three things. How to make the relationship with Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. As like when lady she become pregnant, that is in her womb baby, but she did not see. That is your Brahma. Paramatma, what is that? When mother she gives her give birth the baby, but still baby is not talking with her, but not so much is coming. Understand? Then she feels, because when mother she gives birth the baby, so much pain in her stomach, and whole her body completely almost unconscious. But there's so much happiness coming. When the baby on the stomach, she is very happy, but she does not know she will give birth baby, male or female baby. Nowadays also we say. Okay, so that is called the Brahma Ananda, Brahmananda. Compared with the Brahmananda, it is what the Brahmananda? The baby on the stomach. That's yours. In the same way, Brahmananda. Oh, I tell you. But what happened? Are baby or who will come? Who knows? Baby will giving birth before. Maybe baby will die. So what will do? No consideration. Second, Paramatma. When mother she gives birth the baby, when she heard, and hey, look, open your eyes. Because that time she is very, so much pain. Sometimes she completely unconscious. Understand? According to the science, biology also explains, if one bone is broken, that kinds of pain, you can tolerate. But mother at a time 10 bones broken, that times of pain in the coming when mother she gives birth to the baby. And when you will about to die, when your Atma will go out in this body, millions, scorpion, snake biting, that kinds of pain coming in your body. If you read Narad, what is it called? I didn't know. Garuda Puran. Garuda Puran also explains this example. And when one who about to give up this body, there what kinds of pain coming. This thing also explains Srimad Bhagavatam, the conversation between the third canto, the mother Devuti and Kapil Dev. Also explain this. Not so easy. Eh? So now coming this, just I return back. When mother she gives birth to the baby, so much pain coming. Sometimes she fainted. Very difficult to tolerate. Eh? But her relatives pacified to her. Hey, look, open your mind, give water. But she is just tells her, so much pain. And her body completely almost unconscious. Understand? Then she can give, then baby is coming. Showing her baby. Look. Just little bit open her eyes and look. Then so much happiness coming. That is called the Paramatma Darshan. Brahma Darshan, womb of the baby. Paramatma Darshan, when just she give up the, when she gives birth the baby. Or Bhagavad Darshan, when baby completely what? And on her lap, and mother will be very happy when mother she is happy. Do you know?
Baby crying.
Huh?
Baby's fine.
When baby sucking her breast. Understand? Every living entity, that is also happiness comes. You can cow is very happy. When her baby calf sucking the milk. This is a psychological effect. You read psychology. Mother, she will be very happy when her baby sucking the breast. Look, Bhagavad Darshan. Thousand, millions times. Then this, to taking darshan to Bhagavad Darshan में এত আনন্দ হয় যে একটা বাচ্চাকে জন্ম দিয়ে বাচ্চা যখন মায়ের স্তন পান করে যেও আনন্দ হয় তার থেকে কোটি গুণ সैकड़ों গুণা millions times happiness coming to take darshan to Bhagavad. Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan.
Ele disse a mesma coisa agora em Bengali, né? Que é que quando a mãe dá o mamar o bebê, né? No peito, é assim que ela sente toda aquela felicidade, né? E essa felicidade ela é comparada com compared with Brahma, yes? Compared with
Brahma.
Brahma.
First Brahma, second when gives birth to the baby Paramatma,
E essa
then
felicidade
when baby start to sucking her breast.
essa
If baby not sucking the breast, then what?
comparada com a mãe, quando a gente conhece Krishna, né, a personalidade de Deus, e ela sente como se fosse assim uma felicidade que aumenta milhões e milhões de vezes, né? Milhões e milhões de vezes.
See that? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name is called Nimai. There are many meanings of Nimai. Understand? What is Nimai?
Nimai is
He was born under the neem tree. For this her mother or her parents, his superiors gave his name Nimai. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was born under the neem tree. For this regard, he is called Nimai. Second reason also, the Sachi Mata, she gave birth to 5 or 6 babies, but all they also what? Left body. But maybe thinking, maybe some ghost, witch, and bad eyes. For this regard, baby. Now newborn baby, okay, it is better, give the neem. Neem is very bitter. So maybe Dakini Sokini Bhaye Nam Thoila Nimai. Chaitanya Bhagavad also explained this. Ladies should not do it. And Dakini Sokini Bhaye Nam Rakila Nimai. Chaitanya Bhagavad explained. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name is called Nimai? Dakini Sokini, means some witch, ghost. Understand? Bad eyes. Understand? For this regard, and then his parents gave his name Nimai. Or another also, but this is also another Shastra explained, but some Vaishnavas saying, is it true or wrong? This is not our question, but this is true. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born, understand? Because when baby born, baby's nature is what? Crying. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu born, he did not cry. And cry. No cry. If baby not crying, maybe thinking maybe he fainted. People are speculative. Maybe no alive his body. Understand? Then they chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then baby start to cry. Then Nimai start to cry. Baby Nimai start to cry. And again they stop. Again cry. And again crying. So for this regard, the name is, he's crying, maybe he's fear. Actually, this is not true. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he wants to listen more Harinam. When they stop to chanting holy names, then baby Nimai cry. Another Bengali word, the breast is called the Mai. Ne Mai iti Nimai. Definitely, Mother Sachi Devi, she told, hey baby, you take my breast milk. For this guy, ne mai iti nimai. Take my breast milk. And otherwise, mother she will not happy. When mother she gives birth the baby, mother she will be happy when she feed her breast milk. But when mother she feed her breast milk, what kinds of happiness? You cannot imagine. With thousand happiness coming to feeding her breast, but only one second you take darshan to Govinda darshan. Narad Rishi fainted. Narad Katha I told. When Narad took darshan to Narayan, then Narad Rishi, what kinds of happiness coming take darshan to Govinda? Govinda darshan है तो आनंद. एक माँ बच्चा के स्तन पान करिए जे ना आनंद है गोविंद दर्शने तार सैकड़ों गुना आनंद है One mother.
Que a mãe ela sente o mesmo sentimento, é comparado o prazer que a mãe tem de dar de mamar ao seu bebê ao mesmo de quando Narada Rishi
just once took darshan.
Encontrou e teve darshan do Senhor Narayana. Govinda ou Narayana?
Narayan, Sangha Chakra Gadapad Mudhari. Narayan.
So imagine if he met Narayana, Govinda, what he would say. If he met Govinda, what he would say. If he met Govinda, what's
Narayan.
the
Are Narayan name also Govinda. Narayan is what is called. Krishna's how many names? Sahasranam, 1000 names. Our name is also Govinda, his name is there. But main name is called Narayan, Narayan Darshan. When Narada Rishi took darshan to Narayan, then so much happiness coming, ananda, bliss coming. Then he fainted. So for this regard, I compare the mother feeding her breast milk to baby, what kinds of happiness coming? With thousand, millions of happiness coming, only one moment take darshan to Govinda. Govinda darshan é tão ananda.
Que ele é tão assim, dá tanta bem-aventurança ao nosso coração, né? Encontrar o Senhor Narayana, isso disse Narada Muni quando ele teve darshan do Senhor Narayana, que é como se fosse uma mãe que estava dando leite ao seu filho, só que é comparado a isso, milhões e milhões, esse sentimento é comparado ao dar de mamar milhões e milhões de vezes.
Understand? Yeah. Okay, now look at that. Chant holy name. Chalo. Now 8 o'clock, quarter to 8. Start Kirtan. Mãe, oi! Oi,
Lá de repente.
Yeah. Okay, start Kirtan.